step into the world of ultimate gaming performance. This powerhouse features a best gaming laptop with 32GB RAM, delivering lightning-fast speed and seamless multitasking. Experience stunning visuals, immersive gameplay, and unmatched reliability for every gamer's dream setup. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. HP Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM. The HP Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM is a true powerhouse designed for gamers and multitaskers who demand speed, efficiency, and reliability. With 32GB of high-bandwidth RAM, it effortlessly handles multiple applications and browser tabs simultaneously, ensuring smooth performance even during intense gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. The 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD ensures rapid boot times and lightning-fast data transfers, making storage and access to games and media seamless. At the heart of this laptop lies the Intel Core i5-12450H processor, boasting 8 cores, 12 threads, and up to 4.4 GHz turbo frequency, providing a perfect balance between power efficiency and processing muscle. Paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 4GB GDDR6 GPU, the laptop delivers high-quality graphics, vibrant colors, and fluid gameplay for an immersive experience. Its 15.6-inch FHD display with a 144Hz refresh rate and anti-glare IPS panel ensures crisp visuals, minimal motion blur, and excellent viewing angles, making gaming or streaming content more enjoyable. Connectivity options are extensive, including HDMI 2.1, USB Type-A and Type-C ports, an SD card reader, and Wi-Fi 6, allowing seamless peripheral connections and fast internet access. Other features such as the backlit keyboard, responsive touchpad, and integrated webcam enhance usability, while Windows 11 Home provides a smooth, modern interface with versatile productivity and gaming features. Overall, the HP Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM combines powerful hardware, a stunning display, and robust connectivity into a sleek, reliable package, making it an excellent choice for gamers and content creators who want performance without compromise. Number 2. ASUS 14 Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM. The ASUS 14 Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM from the ROG series is crafted for gamers who demand cutting-edge performance, immersive visuals, and advanced cooling solutions. Equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070Ti laptop GPU, it offers exceptional computing power with the latest NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, enabling DLSS 4 support and Max-Q technologies for optimized performance. The 32GB DDR5-5600MHz memory ensures smooth multitasking, letting gamers switch effortlessly between applications, games, and streaming platforms without slowdowns. Storage needs are addressed with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, providing lightning-fast load times and ample space for games and files. The premium 240Hz per 3 milliseconds ROG Nebula display ensures ultra-fluid visuals, minimal blur, and stunning color contrast for an immersive gaming experience. ASUS's state-of-the-art ROG Intelligent Cooling System maintains optimal temperatures, keeping the laptop quiet and stable even under extended gaming sessions. Its tri-fan design, end-to-end vapor chamber, and Conductonaut Extreme liquid metal applied to the chipset ensure superior thermal performance. The customizable full-surround RGB light bar syncs with the keyboard and peripherals, allowing gamers to personalize their setup, while Stealth Mode can mute lighting for professional or low-light settings. With Windows 11 Home, users gain access to the latest features, including game optimization, enhanced window layouts, and compatibility with Android apps. Overall, the ASUS 14 ROG Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM combines unmatched performance, immersive visuals, and advanced cooling technologies, making it ideal for serious gamers who want reliability, speed, and stunning aesthetics in a compact form factor. Number 3. ASUS 14 Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM. The ASUS 14 Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM in the VivoBook series is designed to provide gamers and creators with exceptional versatility, immersive experiences, and intelligent features for enhanced productivity. Running Windows 11, it supports a vast library of AAA game titles, ensuring that gamers can play both solo and multiplayer games with ease. Its Auto HDR technology and DirectX 12 Ultimate compatibility offer impressive realism and lifelike graphics, enabling a deeply immersive visual experience with high frame rates and detailed environments. The laptop is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 5 226V processor and Intel AI Boost NPU capable of up to 40 TOPS, allowing it to handle demanding workloads, local AI processes, and resource-heavy games efficiently. The 14-inch glossy OLED touch display provides a 1920 by 1200 resolution with a 16:10 aspect ratio and 500 nit peak HDR brightness, ensuring vibrant colors and clarity even in bright environments. Gamers and creators will also appreciate the VivaBook's remarkable battery life, offering up to 25 hours of usage on a single charge, which minimizes downtime and maximizes productivity. Its AI-driven Copilot Plus features facilitate content creation, language translation, and intelligent search capabilities, transforming the laptop into a versatile companion for work and play. Lightweight and portable, the laptop is perfect for on-the-go gaming or creative tasks. Overall, the ASUS 14 VivoBook Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM combines long battery life, cutting-edge AI features, immersive visuals, and high-performance hardware, making it an excellent choice for gamers, creators, and professionals seeking an all-in-one portable powerhouse. Number 4. NAIKLULU Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM. The NAIKLULU Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM offers an exceptional combination of power, portability, and user-friendly design for gamers and everyday users. Its AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor delivers a base clock speed of 1.8 GHz and can boost up to 4.3 GHz, ensuring smooth performance across gaming, multitasking, and productivity tasks. The laptop's 32GB of RAM supports seamless application management, allowing users to switch between gaming, content creation, and work without slowdowns or lag. The 15.6-inch Full HD display provides vibrant visuals and sharp details, enhancing the gaming and multimedia experience, while its sleek silver design and lightweight 3.52 pounds profile make it easy to carry and stylishly portable. NAIKLULU also focuses on convenience and security with features like a fingerprint scanner for quick access and data protection. Connectivity options, including HDMI, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 5.0, provide flexible external connections, while the backlit keyboard and responsive touchpad ensure comfortable usability even in low-light conditions. A 6000 mAh/46.2 Wh lithium polymer battery provides up to 5 hours of operation, allowing uninterrupted gaming or work sessions on the go. With a careful balance of power, display quality, portability, and practical features, the NAIKLULU Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM delivers a smooth and reliable computing experience. Number 5. GIGABYTE Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM. The GIGABYTE Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM is a high-performance machine designed for gamers and creators seeking both speed and intelligence in one sleek package. Powered by the Intel Core i7-13620H processor, it handles streaming, multitasking, and heavy gaming workloads with ease, ensuring smooth performance across all applications. Its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU, built on NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, delivers next-level graphics fidelity, AI-enhanced performance, and support for NVIDIA DLSS 4, providing lifelike visuals and superior frame rates for immersive gaming and creative projects. The laptop features GIGABYTE GIMate, an AI-driven assistant that personalizes user interaction, making computing more intuitive and efficient. Storage and memory support high-speed operations, enabling users to install and run multiple games or applications without lag. Its 180-degree hinge design and 19.45mm slim chassis enhance versatility and portability, allowing users to adapt the laptop to various work and gaming scenarios effortlessly. The Windows 11 Home operating system integrates productivity, gaming, and creative features seamlessly, supporting users in gaming, content creation, and everyday tasks. With a focus on both performance and user experience, the GIGABYTE Gaming Laptop with 32GB RAM stands out for its combination of powerful hardware, intelligent AI features, and immersive graphics. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.